Hi, I'm Kazi from India. Let's continue this. We had left our last video with a sine wave generation. I'll just make it play again so that it'll be a review. You can see an amplitude of 2. Now the next step is I want this Simulink library. If you have closed your Simulink library, you will find it over somewhere here. Suppose if you have closed it and if you didn't find your library here, need not to worry. Go to view option, then select library browser, you'll get it. Let's continue, and I'll do something different now. I'll go to math tools, math operations, and I'll select some operations. Let me do some operations. Okay, I'll take this gain and I'll take this add. Okay, I want you to watch all these videos in a series because every video will be interlinked, so I request you to do that because you'll not be confused or in somewhere in between. So I'll just shorten it and I'll check the signal here. What I'll do is I'll place this add over here. Now my intention is to add two signals and display over here. Now I'll take the same signal from this sine wave and I'll connect it to here. This is a gain block which multiplies, just constant multiplication. You can see gain is element wise multiplication, something like this. So if I write it 4, okay, and the amplitude of sine wave was 2, right? From here I'll get 2 amplitude sine wave. From here I'll get 8, like 4 into 2, 8 amplitude sine wave. 8 plus 2, I must get an sine wave of amplitude 10. Do we get them? Let's check it out. I'll play this for you. You can see a beep sound. Probably we will get it. Yes, we got it. You can see this is 10 amplitude sine wave after adding the 2 sine wave. For example, if I want to view my input sine wave and the output sine wave, that is, the input is 2 amplitude, right? So if I want to view it together, even that is possible. Go to parameters here, click it, number of axes, I'll change this to 2, press OK, and I'll close it. You can see 2 ports here at the scope. I'll enlarge it, and I want my input signal to be displayed, right, of amplitude 2. Let me run it. Yes, we can see this was my output of 10 and this is my input of 2. This is how we can use. And if you want to specify your input, you can go to legends. It will give you a name, for example, and I run it, and when I open it, you can see this is add, this is sine wave. This add I'm getting from this add tool, and sine wave I'm getting here, so automatically it will generate sine wave over here. So this is the basic example of how to use the math operations. When we are a little perfect in this, using the tools of the Simulink, we can go for bigger projects. It's really interesting actually, and you can feel the demand of the people in today's, people love to be in automotive fields. Like I said in the first video, which tells about like who can use this tool. It's very important tool for the people who wants to be in most powerful tool. MATLAB is used from the laboratory, your college, your school, or your engineering laboratory till the space research organizations, maybe it's ISRO, maybe it's NASA, till there they use it. Image processing, control systems, voice processing, video processing, state flow, Simulink controls. They have almost infinite tools to work on, but we should have patience to work with this. Anyway, the next video will continue with something new and little something complex, because now you're aware of